Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola, and today's our topic is uh, string buffer and string builder in Java. First of all, string buffer and string builder Java means these uh, it is used to create a mutual modifiable string objects. The string buffer class in Java is the same as the string class, except it is a mutual. For example, it can be changed a string buffer. It can be changed a string buffer is a class of string that provides much of the functionality of strings. The string represents the fixed length and immutable character sequences, while string buffer represents growable and writable character sequences. And string buffer may have characters and substrings inserted in the middle or appended to the end. It is automatically grow to make a room for such addition and often has more characters prelocated than are actually needed to allow a class and appendable char sequence. And a public final class string buffer extends object implements serializable char sequence appendable. String buffer are safe for use by multiple threads, and the methods can be synchronized wherever necessary to that all the operations on any particular instance behave as if they occur in the some serial order. Whenever an operations occurs involving a source of sequence such as appending or inserting from a source sequence, this class synchronizes only on the string buffer by performing the operations, not on the source. And it inherits some of the methods from the object class, which such as clone and equals and finalize get class and hash code or notifies or notify all. And afterwards we will talk about the string builder. In Java, a string builder represents a mutable sequence of characters. Since the string class in Java creates an immutable sequence of characteristics, the string buffer class provides an alternative to strings class, as it creates a mutable sequence of characters. The function that of string builder is very much similar to the string buffer class, as both of them are considered and the constructors in a string builder, in which a string builder constructor a string builder with no characters in it, and it initializes capacity of 16 characters. And a string builder constructs a string builder with number of characters in it, and initial capacity specified by the capacity of arguments. String builder constructs a string builder that contains the same characters as the specified char sequence, and a string builder contains a string structure which initialized to the contents of the specified string. and among them methods of a string builder. A string builder appendant means the Java line string builder appendant, a boolean. It is an inbuilt method of Java which is used to append string representation of boolean values. Thank you.